So guys, the price of silver is about to go rocket high. It's, as you can see on your screens, that it is going to show you the price of silver very soon going to touch $100, and that's going to be something really exciting because it's going to happen for the first time in the history. And I think it went all the way up to, I think, 99.80. And as you can see, I'm recording it live and it's going to 73, 71. So the thing is, when these things happen for the first time in the market, it's really exciting to see whether it is, whether it touches directly, comes back, or it shoots up after touching $100 mark. So that is something very exciting and interesting to understand. As you can see, 99.75 cents, and it is going up. So it is happening for the first time in the history of silver market in USA. You are witnessing it live, $100 price of silver live, and you can see how rapid movements are being made, because some people must be thinking that once it reaches $100 it might fall off instantly, and some people are thinking that once it reaches $100 it might shoot up, because the news of silver reaching $100 in the first time in the history will make a lot of investors invest in silver, because it becomes a headlines once it reaches a milestone here. So you are just witnessing history, I would say. I'm just showing you all the prices. You can see all this volatility on the 5 minutes candle, 99.75. So it's very interesting to see something in history, history making itself. Silver is gonna touch $100. Forget about inflation, forget about anything else, but it is the first time when a metal like silver, which used to trade around $33 just 2 years back, is now going to reach up to $100 in just, I would say, 1 or 2 years. So it is very interesting. $100 mark, and in New York exchange and in comex, people are really looking forward to their screens. What happens next? You can see the volatility, right? How fast it is going down and how fast it is going up. It is just a movement of a one big player who kind of starts putting more money at this point, or someone maybe takes out their money, and then what you will see is a very drastic change. And as you can see right now, 99.72, 75, guys, 74. You can see the history making itself in 2026. You are witnessing a great silver price movement. As you can see, 99.71, sooner or later it will happen, and it's going to be very exciting. I'm covering this live because it's a one time event in history. Once it reaches $100 here, in a lot of other parts of the world, like in other countries, the silver has reached to almost 3 lakhs in India, let's say. But in US or in western world, it is not based on lakhs, guys. It is based on dollars, and $100 is the mark which everyone is speculating for almost a month. It should have reached by the last week. See the drastic move. The candle is almost green but now turning back. Will it reach $100 mark? Comment your opinion, guys. Will it reach $100 mark? This is going to be very exciting. I have never seen such situation in the past few months. Gold itself rose to, for the past 4 days, gold rose to around 4%, 5%. See this drastic move, guys. People thought that it will not reach $100, and the volatility and the sudden movements in the market, you can see that. Oh, see how drastically it is falling, because people are not believing that it will reach $100, and there is some kind of desperation that once it touches $100 it might fall back. And you can see it has started falling down, guys. See, the market is teaching you a lot of things this time. This is the time to witness. See, drastically it is going down, guys. You have to learn from this that market do not respect anyone. Just at the time when people think that it will reach $100, it starts falling down. You can see, guys, see a big red candle, a lot of money going out of the market, and on this exchange, it is being reflected right in front of the eyes. And will it touch $100? Will the candle reverse? Because today itself, I will show you here, it has rose up to 3%, $99, 3 point from $96, but you can see it has just dropped out $1, But the question is, just like this green candle, will it rise again? Will it reach 100 again, guys? A big, uh, you know very bearish red candle is in front of your eyes, and I'm really excited and nervous at the same time. What's gonna happen? Will it go further up and up and up, or will it reverse? The volatility is on its peak, guys, and it's very exciting to see what is going to happen. And so this is very, I would say, something which everyone should think about. And as you can see, 99.10 and 99.09, guys, it has come all the way from 99.80 to now 99.06, guys, 03, guys. Can you imagine? It all the way went $200 into three figures, and just don't believe it. It is happening in front of our eyes. And now I think, see, this thick part of the candle and the thin part, as long as the thin part increases, which is reversal of the price, you can think that it might go up again, reaching towards the goal of $100. History in making, guys, and we are witnessing it live. Don't miss this movement. Don't miss this moment also, because it will soon reach up to $100. And I will show you 1 hour chart, right? So 1 hour chart, you can see there. See, so many big movements have been happening, but this big red candle from $100 to $99.02 is just not making sense, and people are waiting eagerly as when this will hit $100 mark. I'll show you everyone, and there is a significance. If it reaches $100, there will be a sudden cash inflow of people buying it, and they will just start buying it more and more, and then huge volatility will take place in this market. So it's very interesting. If it hits 100, you can see the price moving up, interesting, as to see how much more it goes up and up and up. And I'm hoping that it is just a volatility part at this very crucial moment, and soon reach to $100. As you can see, 99.35, guys, 99.3639. Let me just zoom it for you, so guys, so you guys can understand. 99.41, guys, this is our target, $100. And let's see if it reaches or not, guys. Very exciting, very interesting at the same time. 99.48, 49, guys. So soon it will go to that up level. You can see the thin part of the candlestick pattern. It has just covered all of that half-dollar price in just few minutes, 1 or 2 minutes. Again going down, guys. It's a very volatile market right now. Hundreds of traders are speculating the price, and who knows, people are predicting it. The silver might go up to 3x, 4x. These are just predictions, which are going on in the market. uh, some people are saying it will double, it will go to 300. As of now it is 99. I'm not saying to buy anything, I'm not saying to invest anything. Do your own research, but I'm just saying what speculations are going on in the market. And the speculations are saying that in the upcoming days, since there's a huge shortage of silver, there's huge demand of silver, and the way the London vaults are getting empty. It's all raising demand for the silver, and that's why you are seeing price hikes in the silver. And that's why I'm telling you it's very interesting to see. You can see 99.29, and I don't know, maybe a sudden move will come and it will reach $100, but it will be very exciting. It will happen today, that's for sure. It will not happen tomorrow, it will happen today. And I will tell you where all the last highest point of silver is 99.81, 99.80. That's the highest price 5 minutes ago. And will it break 99 and will it reach to $100 like here? it's a very it's a very interesting and very trending question these days. But as of now, the price is going a little down, taking a correction, and let's see how much correction it makes. I can just show you based on some patterns, as you can see here where I'm pointing out. Let me just show you by pointing out. If I can just point it out to you here, where I'm putting my cross, it is showing $98. So the second cross is here, so it should make this low and then it should reach up to almost $100. One, two, and then third $99.99. So somewhere around $100 it should reach according to the 5 minutes candlestick pattern. I believe it will reach in this same pattern. It will reach somewhere here 99.89. That's my understanding of the market. But if once it hits this price level, it will if once it hits $100 price, it will shoot up as more and more investors will come. And then also it might go down because people might have this thought, a lot of people, that the price after reaching $100 will go down. So just keep an eye. Both the things happen in market. Nothing is sure. A big player might take out his money, or maybe another player might put his money to just to touch it to the 100 levels. Big players can do anything, and maybe some stop losses and you know targets they hit automatically, and then they reach. But as of now, I can show you that 99.52 price has been achieved, and you can see some sudden movements. See some sudden movement, 99.67, 70. Can you see that, guys? Sudden movements are happening, and maybe $100 is no far from this point of time. $100 is about to be achieved. Sudden movement has been happened in this stock price, and I feel like that maybe in couple of minutes we will reach that $100 mark, guys. And then tell me if you are able to comment on it, whether should I wait or should I hold, should I wait for the $100 mark, and what time it is 8 uh, here, and what time do you think, in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes, in how many minutes it will reach? I think in 5 minutes, if it keeps going like this, it will reach the $100 historical remarkable mark, as per my understanding, guys. What do you think? If you have the comment option, please do let me know. Please comment and tell me your price, and it will actually make some really good move. But as you can see now, again going down, see the volatility levels. You are seeing two opposite direction thin candles, the wick of the candles. One which was right down here from $99, and one $99.72. Two very opposite direction wicks you are seeing and witnessing. But I believe, see, this price is just moving fast, and I believe that it will soon touch the 99 point at least mark. And then if it goes to that level, it might go to $100 also, guys. So I'm just hoping for the best time, and let's see if it crosses the mark from here or not. It is just I'm waiting for the perfect time, and let's see if it makes the mark of $100 possible or not. Okay, again it is showing two green candles, as you can see. So I'm thinking that it might get to that level very soon. Very soon it will reach to that level, and I believe that it is not very far. It's already 99.46. I'll just zoom it out, guys, for your understanding and for more interesting visualization of this chart, so that you can closely watch it. Not just closely, you can watch it live, reaching that $100 mark within just few minutes from now, and it has already gone up to 99.8144 mark, and it will soon go to up to that $100 mark. And once silver reaches to that level, see, there's a sudden movement. Once the silver reaches to that level, it will show you how much potential these metals have. And I'll tell you why it is happening all of these days. Even though recently Trump has announced to uplift the restrictions and not to force tariff on and even though the prices are still rising, the sole reason is that the industrial demand of silver, as you can see, guys, again a big candle is coming. Again, you can see a big movement in the price, and I'm hoping that it will soon go to that 99.80 level. And if it crosses that level, as you can see, it will reach to $100. See, a very sudden movement in price, guys. I guess the volume is increasing and a lot of investors are coming into this to make it happen, for the first time in the history is in making, guys. $100 silver mark. So comment, if you are having the comment option, how much time do you think it will take to reach through that $100 mark? It's already been 20 minutes and it has touched once that mark, 99.80, and I believe again a green big candle. I believe it's going to happen soon. It will soon reach to that level of $100. It's just a matter of time, guys. So I'm just very excited. 99.67, 65. It's just 2 3 big candles away, and any big investor coming into putting into money into this stock price can touch this level, anytime by silver. So I'm really very excited, and I'm please stick, because you will miss the moment. You don't want to miss the historical moment. It's already happening. It's going to touch the $100 mark, but sadly it's again volatile and again fluctuating in the same group, 99.60. So I don't know what's gonna happen next, but I think sudden movement will come and it will directly reach the price. So let's guess one more thing. What do you think? Will it reach to the $100 mark, which is right here, right here, right here? Do you think will it reach to the $100 mark uh, just within few seconds, like a quick green candle, or will it take gradual shifts? As you can see, a big. My decision is, oh God, my decision and my opinion, my prediction is it will sharply touch to that mark. A big candle will come and it will touch that $100 mark, not gradually. Gradually it will go to 99.80, but then it will sharply touch to that $100 mark. And for those who are wondering how to invest from your phone into silver or any other commodity, so there are many options. If you are options by saying that there are futures and options available in the silver market commodity. You just have to have a trading account, a demat account, and if you don't want to make it complicated in the futures and options market, you can just simply buy ETFs. ETFs are, just make sure, if you want to buy a gold ETF or a silver ETF, there are many ETFs available by different brands on different trading apps, and just have to have a trading account and you can buy from there. And since you can see, as you can see, this one candle which is making a green candle, but soon it will convert into a, sorry, it's a red candle, soon it will convert it into a green candle, as you can see, and it will go up very quickly and it will reach to somewhere here, if I'm not correct. So maybe 99.96% price will be achieved and not 100, and then it will come back a little and then it will go back again to 100. Or maybe you can also predict point of view, your idea, what do you think, or not. You can give your own idea about it, and let's see who predicts it right. For me, as of now, I can see a sudden movement will come and it will reach to $100 price, and these gradual slow candles, green candles forming, they will go up to 99.80, and if that hits, people will start putting money into this, and it will go to 100 and then come back and consolidate at around $99 price for, for a couple of hours or minutes, I would say. But as of now, my understanding says that it will keep making some green candles and it will reach to around $99.93 mark. Understanding it's already hitting $99.74, guys. Please give thumbs up and likes to this live stream. If you have not liked it, please like it. I will understand. If you like it, I will understand that you're liking this video. Again, it has gone to 66 cents, $99.66, and seen already 22:49 minutes. And I want to see that three figures. Be the first one to see the three figures in the history of price. This has never been such a story. So there are two levels, right? So first level, if it has to move backwards from this place, it will move from this place only, from this point 99.73, it will reverse, or it will go to this point, $100 mark, as of the 5 minutes candle, as you can see. So this 5 minute candle, you can see it's just making a hammer, and let's see if it keeps going down. Okay, it is keep going down and it will go reverse, I think, for a couple of minutes before it finally hits that $100 mark, because I can feel that the market from this point, right, from this point 640 point, doesn't want to make it go to 100, right? So it is just taking a dip, but the the pattern says that it is a triangle, shooting triangle pattern. So as you can see, first here it goes here and then down this, then up this, then less down than the previous. So the low, it is making higher lows, but the upper highs are just on a simple. So that's why it is not. But the moment it breaks this pattern, breaks this 99.70, $99.80 mark, it will shoot up. The price will shoot up drastically the moment it makes, the moment it clicks to this 99.68 mark. It is just a matter of seconds or minute, I would say. This red candle will not go further away, it will go to 99 point, let's say 26, and then come back. If it keeps moving into this territory, it will go back, it will come back. So let's wait for some time, and I hope it's going back again. 99.58, congrats. It's going back again to 99.58, going upwards and soon towards that mark of $100. So if you understand how the price works, think of as a person who is invested, who has invested here on 99. So as soon as it reaches to this 99.6070 mark, you feel that your trade is complete and then you want to take out all your money. So then you start selling your prices. That's why it comes down, but not to the point where you don't have anything left. So it keeps flowing in that range. As you can see, it is just going back, but it will not go further down than this 99.31 mark. Here you can see 99.31 mark, but only if the trading rules apply. But if there is any rule which shows that let's say if there is any rule, if any big investor comes and invests money right at this point, the rule will not be applied for for current price, and then it will make another triangle on, let's say, 102 or 100 something. But as of now, you can see again it has hit the green zone. As I just told you that it will not go further than this 9936 point as per my understanding, as I just told you. So it has not gone to that level till now. As you can see, this 99.3616 line, here you can see the points. It will not go from below this point, not go below this point, and in fact it is going upwards now, 99.50, and it will go up and up and up to 99.80. And if it crosses 99.80, then it will go to 100, no doubt about it. Right now there is this line, I will show you by zooming it. There is this line, this is the resistance which it is not able to overcome as of now, but still trying. As you can see, if I zoom out, this is the resistance line on 99.84 level, 99.84 level resistance line. Currently it is on 99.65. If it passes 99.84, it will just shoot up to 100, and this is the resistance level which is right now being more complicated for this price to go 100. As soon as it reaches $100, there would be a big news in the market. It would become a big news in the market, but I don't think so. The consolidation, the fluctuations, the volatility is so high, and it's making everyone feel nervous. I don't know why, but it's making everyone feel nervous simply because price of silver reaching $100. So yeah, $100 mark is important, because once it passes the $100 mark, it will create one illusion in the minds of investors that now it can go to up 200 rupees dollars, simply because people think that if the price is below $100, it's like, see, it's like once you cross 100 you want to score 200, right? In any format of the games or whatever, the price, if it is below 100, it will take more time to reach 200. Once it has crossed $100 limit, now it has sky as the limit, so it might go to 200 level, and then when 200 level comes around, the price will fluctuate a lot. People would think that okay, now it may not go to 400 or $200. So it is the psychology. But keeping in mind that the demand keeps rising, keeping in mind that the buying of silver keeps rising, the way people are, countries are buying silver, and the mood is very positive regarding silver. So if people think that, uh, so in that way, it might not have any limit after once it crosses $100. So when you see it, the moment it reached $90 silver price, it actually kind of started fluctuating and being in that 90 to $100 range. It is because people are not taking risk. People want to wait before it crosses $100 mark, because once they cross $100 mark, they think that it might not have any foundations, right? So once you know that you have crossed your house and you are living outside, so now you think that you have more opportunities, unlimited opportunities. Same goes with the mentality. If the price crosses 100 rupees, you think now the next stop will be 200 rupees. So psychologically people do not fear to invest in such cases, because they think there is more opportunity once they cross $100. So that's why the price after $100, once it hits $100, even the vendors around you will try to invest in silver. Even the vendors around your city, your friends, your relatives will ask you to invest in it, and that's the time when each and every person is investing. And now you can see it's going downwards, right? But it is just the fluctuation that is happening. But I believe that silver will anytime touch this $100 mark, anytime it will touch that $100 mark and create a wonderful history that we all will witness. So right now you can see it has gone a little down, 99.34. It will keep going down as it is going to break that triangle pattern, and might go to this price if it crosses 99.30 price. So it might go to 98, 90, 95, 98.95. It might go to this point. But if it does not go to, if it comes back, then it will go to this price, 99.71, because the support prices keep getting upper and up, but the resistance is still 99.63 or somewhere 99.65, 69, as you can see this point is resistance. That's why it is keep fluctuating between both of these prices, and as you can see it has stuck on 99.40 mark. I don't know what's happening with it. Why is it not moving a lot? Why it has just kept stuck? Maybe some problem at the trading site, let's say. I don't understand. Maybe it will require refreshing my page somehow. No, it has gone up. I don't know what kind of audience I have. Are they Hindi or English speaker? If they were, but let's just keep it in English so that all people from different languages can understand this. You see these three big candles, it has not been something like trading, it's the big trader which came for this position, and then you see this 99.44. So it is keep fluctuating in this area. The reason is solely because of the traders. They do not have any clue, they do not know what to do next. The prices are keep fluctuating in this level from this 99.75 to 99.30. It's like 60 cent mark, 60 cent window where the silver price is just moving from down to up and nothing else, and that's solely because of the amount of people who are just investing in this silver through futures, ETFs, and other platforms and tools and products. So see, it's going down, right? But the limit has come, so it will go up now. If it doesn't go up, it will cross the limit and it will come down to around 98. That's the formula that investors, I'm sorry, that's the formula which traders use. If it crosses 99.39 mark, which it didn't, it has, I think, started a reversal now, so probably will go to 99.80, and but it depends. I think for now it's very hard to say for the traders and all the speculative pupils who are trading right now. They are driving this price crazy. They don't know what to do with their money, and they don't know. So see, there's some kind of, now you see this has come down. Now you see, I told you, if it crosses that limit, if it crosses this part, it will keep going down till, let's say, somewhere like here, 99.03. See, now it will keep going down if it crosses that limit. So it's something which is a trading rule, but sometimes it doesn't go like that. It will keep going down till, I think, 98. See, I told you. See, I told you. If it crosses this line, it will 99.379. It will keep going down till this point 98.97, as I just told you. So this is the kind of trading rule. Let's see, maybe sometimes it gets a reversal also. I don't think, it depends on the volume. If the volume is stable, so let's say you are five guys who are trading with just rupees 100, right? And a new guy comes, and then the guy invests 1000 rupees, right? So earlier there were five guys with 100 rupees of trading amount, and then one guy come and put 1000 rupees and start buying. That's what it does. As you can see, the green candle, this is the 1000 rupees guy, $1000 guy, who just put more money, so prices are elevated, right? uh, and then the trading rules does not apply to the system, so it is some kind of a trick. But as you can see, it has came down to this point till 99.12, and you never know, maybe see, when the last time it came to 19.93 with this red and green, it suddenly came up in the V curve. So whenever there is a sudden fall in the price, it suddenly goes back, suddenly snaps back. But I think I'll see you guys on the $100 mark. Again, it is taking a shift. It's now a completely uh, reverse candle which has been formed here. Let's see how it does, what it does. Will it move the price upwards, or? But I'll see you when the price touches to $100, and as you can see, the price has again started moving upwards. 99.50, 49, 48, 49, 47, 48, again boom. So much volatility in this market as of now. So much of volatility is expecting as expected, earlier also at the time of silver reaching $100 mark. See this price going upwards, 48. I'm not sure how much time we have left for $100 to reach, but maybe a couple of minutes and it will reach to that $100 level. 48, 47. You will see it will go up to, and this time up to 99.79. So if you invest on 99.20 and it goes to 99.76, you make 50 cents. So if you have put, let's say, $1000, you make, I think, how much? $5 on every thousand. Every $1000 you make $5, and then if you put $10,000, you make $50 every $10,000 when you invest here and then sell here. But of course, it's not always true. You're not gonna make money like this. The price does not go this way always. So I'll see you when the price hits $100. Till then, take care.